Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Grammar Master Course. I hope you are excited because today we are going to learn one of the most useful and important tenses in English grammar, present simple tense. Yes, this tense is used every single day in English conversations. We use it to talk about daily routines, habits, regular activities, facts and truths. For example, I go to school. She drinks coffee. They play football. See? Super easy. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I will teach you step by step in the simplest way possible. So stay focused, enjoy the lesson, and let's master English grammar together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Now let's understand what is present simple tense. Present simple tense is used to talk about things that happen regularly or every day. This tense shows daily habits, regular actions, routines, general truths. For example, I wake up early. She goes to school. They play cricket every evening. These are actions people do again and again. We also use present simple tense for facts and truths. For example, the sun rises in the east. Birds fly in the sky. Very easy, right? So remember, if an action happens regularly, daily, or always, we use the present simple tense. Great job, everyone. Now let's learn the structure of the present simple tense. The structure is very easy. Listen carefully. Subject plus verb 1. Yes, we use the first form of the verb. For example, I play. You read. We study. They go. Did you notice something? The verbs are in their basic form. Play, read, study, go. That is why we call it verb 1. Let's say them together. I play. You read. We study. They go. Super easy, right? Now you are starting to understand present simple tense like a grammar champion.
Excellent, everyone. Now listen carefully because this is a very important rule in present simple tense. With he, she, it, we usually add s or s to the verb. Yes, this rule is only for he, she, and it. Let's look at some examples slowly. He plays football. Can you hear the S sound? Play becomes plays. She reads books. Read becomes reads. It runs fast. Run becomes runs. Very good. So remember this easy grammar rule. I play, you play, we play, they play. But he plays, she plays, it plays. Just add s or s with he, she, and it. Easy and simple, right? Awesome, everyone. Now let's look at some easy daily routine sentences using the present simple tense. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Green example 1, I play football. Very good. Green example 2, she reads books. Excellent. Green example 3, they go to school. Nice job. Green example 4, we study English. Wonderful. He drinks milk. Perfect. Did you notice something? These sentences talk about actions people do regularly or every day. That is why we use the present simple tense. So remember, daily habits, regular routines, repeated actions all use the present simple tense. Excellent, everyone. Now let's understand how we use the present simple tense in real life. We use this tense almost everywhere in daily English conversations. For example, talking about school, hobbies, routines, food habits, daily activities. Let's see some simple examples. I go to school every day. She likes music. He drinks milk every morning. We study English together. They play cricket in the evening. See? These are all common daily life sentences. That is why the present simple tense is very important in English. You will hear and use this tense every single day while speaking English.
Awesome, everyone. Now let's do a quick revision of the present simple tense. Ready? Present simple tense is used for daily habits and routines. For example, I go to school. She reads books. The structure is subject plus verb 1. That means we use the first form of the verb. Examples, I play, they study. And don't forget the important rule. With he, she, and it, we add s or es to the verb. For example, he plays football. She watches TV. It runs fast. Fantastic! See? Present simple tense is super easy and very useful in daily English conversations. Keep practicing every day, and your English will become stronger and stronger. Excellent work, everyone! Now you can make simple daily routine sentences in English. In the next lesson, we will learn present continuous tense. So keep learning and keep practicing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next class.